live in Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Guys, this is a surprise I was telling you guys. That's what I was preparing with the heating system here. If you're just watching the video, this is why I was preparing, getting all this heater, get prepped and get that to run so I can do some kind of operations here live here at the command center of the jwsolarusa in Minnesota. So guys, this is what it is. It's a big box, freight, you can see that. And this is what it is. Let's see if you can see right there what it says, Nissan. That's a one old Nissan Leaf vehicle battery, a one old pack. Sitting, I think it's approximately 400 and some pounds, approximately. Don't quote me on that one, but this is what it is. And we are ready for a new change here at jwsolarusa. This is the garage. That's why I was trying to get this garage all warmed up and get this debris from the vehicle so I can get dry. And guys, we are here and we're gonna be doing some cool stuff which I think you guys gonna like and gonna appreciate that, and learning from new things like I did before a year and a half, 2 years, and we got our Nissan Leaf, and open up. This is a 2015 Nissan Leaf lithium battery made by Nissan. So this is the package here, and everything looks okay. It takes a while to come, but I got it all run and everything is right. And this one came from Battery Hookup. So if you're looking for battery, guys, I would recommend you go to Battery Hookup. Nice guy. You ask for Ryan, and Ryan and his girlfriend, and they are just awesome people. I know his older brother owns the business, and Ryan is more of the computer guy. You know, I would say call for Ryan when you call and ask for him. Tell them that jwsolarusa sent you. I'm recommending this company and the customer service. I understand it takes a little bit longer to get here because of all the holiday before Thanksgiving. I ordered this before Thanksgiving. Everything is backed up, and they are having trouble with transportation because this company is booming right now. So what happened is they hire another company all the way from California, what Ryan told me, and to help them with this transportation. The company only has 3 semis to do this, and now because of Battery Hookup is a nice company, nice people, Ryan and his brother and his girlfriend, and they all the workers there, they are so nice, and they help that company. Now that company has a extra now total about 6 drivers to help the delivery for all of us so that we can able to get our batteries right on time. So Ryan, kudos to you. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video. I recommend Battery Hookup. Customer service, outstanding. It's outstanding. So if you want to get all your lithium, you got a 24 volt LiPo 4 batteries, check with them. And you want to get the Nissan Leaf and get it. And I got my 2015 Nissan Leaf. These are 2015. Thanks to Ryan, and thank you again. Love you guys all. Help these guys out so that they can help us. Price is really good, and I can't complain at all. So you just pay the freight. So some people think it's hard, but the freight, flat rate, and you can get all your batteries you want. And they are I'm telling you guys, I'm assuring you now, these guys are really on the move right now. They're selling a lot of batteries, and they already have more drivers because they have to partner with other trucking company. So they are having enough drivers now, so don't feel discouraged or hesitate, because it takes some time. So they already bumped up the transportation level and everything is going to be running swiftly. And I already got my batteries here. As soon as the trucking company is already good, and guys, it's the best place to buy batteries as well. There are other outlets, and I'm just talking about this, what happened here live at the command center of jwsolarusa. So stay tuned for this, because I'm going to tell you what this thing gonna do, or why I ordered this, and what I'm gonna do. And you can learn a lot of things from my previous videos. Check on my playlist on how to disassemble Nissan Leaf battery, and you will see that other video, year and a half to 2 years now, and this is gonna be the second one. Stay tuned. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe.